everyone. So those of you who don't know, I am very environmentally conscious. I've always been. Everything I buy is non-toxic, non-bio, good for the environment. And I just want to show you that you do not need to use harmful chemicals to clean your car. I cleaned my entire car and still doing some so you can see the effectiveness with the e-cloth. E-cloth, if you don't know about it, is one of my favorite products. I've been using it for years. No, they have not paid me to do this, and no, I'm not endorsed by them, whatever. They don't even know I exist. But I love this stuff. You can see my videos even from years ago using it on my jewelry and using it on random things. Even my some of my Louis Vuitton bags, I use the polishing cloth for the hardware. But this is the polishing cloth. This is the heavy duty one where both sides, you can use both sides to polish, and it's like the best cloth ever. And you get like streak-free finish. It's really, really amazing. Just let me show you how my lights turned out. Look at that. All using just water. So these fibers that are woven into the e-cloth are made to kill 99.9% of bacteria. From Germany, I think. Yeah, I think it's German brand. If I'm wrong, I will correct myself in the commentary below and put the link to where you can buy these. It doesn't matter where you buy them, like you can buy them off eBay. I find them at Home Goods, TJ Maxx. But look at my car. I just finished doing the hood. It was extremely dusty and dirty before. I will try and find some footage. I didn't get full footage of when it was dirty, but I have some from my car tour. Even if you click on my car tour video, you can find it there. But I probably had to do about 5 or 6 rinses for the entire car. The entire car is clean, and now all I have to do are the rims. And I'll just show you how effective the e-cloth is. Such a gorgeous shine, no chemicals, no soap at all. Amazing. Okay, so as you can see, the rims are really grimy. So this is what I do. We take e-cloth. Look at that. Already, you can see a huge difference. That's why this cloth is all black, because I've cleaned my whole car with it. You can buy boxes of them. Look how clean these rims are gonna look. And the great thing about these cloths are the dirt sticks to the cloth. It doesn't get smeared around. And all you have to do is just rinse, and then all the dirt will come off. And I will show you all of that. Look at that. Already, I've just been doing a few wipes, and already, if you can see, let me turn on the light for you. So it was a bit dark. And I have the light on for you so you can see e-cloth. You know, it baffles my mind how people are still using harmful chemicals. It's harmful for your kids, your dogs to be around, for you. You really do not need to use any chemicals when you clean. If you use brands like e-cloth that clean just because of the technology of the fibers. I'm beginning to get blinded by the shine. Look at that. You know, even the car washes don't get this detailed. I actually love cleaning my car. I just like to see the before and after results. And already And I'm not harming the environment in any way by cleaning my car. No soaps, no detergents, none of those chemicals, just modern technology of these amazing cloths. Look at that. Ready for this? And there's also this scouring kind of pad at the corner. This is the kitchen one. There's various e-cloths you can buy, different brands. Not brands, different types. There's one for the kitchen, one for the blah, blah, blah. This is the one for the kitchen. That's why it has this thing at the end. And I find it great for the car, for extra stubborn spots. But I mean, I don't even need it for this grime because the fibers are so strong. The car can handle if you rub it hard because of the way the paint is. You won't have to fear of it removing paint because this will remove certain paint from the wall, but that's house paint. The car is, the car's paint is built to withstand a lot, so you don't have to worry about this removing anything off your car. Look at that. Not even pushing hard, it's just the cloth working. So it has to be damp for it to work. Never damp the polishing cloth, but you have to completely soak the actual e-cloth cleaning cloth and wring it out till it's a good amount of dampness, completely soaked and wrung out, and then it's perfect to start cleaning. Look at that. I'm very car proud. Look at that. Okay, let's compare this. I'm not even done. That was just a general wipe down. Look at that rim on this wheel compared to this wheel. Look at that. Wow, you guys. I can't recommend eCloth enough. There's so many uses for it. But it's amazing for chrome surfaces, for smooth surfaces like glass and mirrors. You will not find any better product for streak-free finishes and that clean as thoroughly, especially if you care about the environment. There's just no need to use harmful chemicals. I think it's really kind of backwards when people still think that you need to use harsh chemicals to clean, because you really don't. And for sprays, I mean, Method is an amazing company too. They are completely environmentally friendly cleaning product company if you need to use sprays and stuff like that for your toilets or whatever, or countertops. But even eCloth kills 99.9% of bacteria with just water. Like, you can't get better than that for the environment. I love it. Look at how gorgeous. I'm getting a new battery installed because we are going to drive across the country, my cousin and I. And this is how the polishing cloth works. Just gives it extra shine, gets rid of any smudges and pretty amazing, huh? Look at that. Wow. So, what? All just comes off. All you have to do is rinse your rag a few times and you can get your entire car clean. I would use one for the outside and one for the inside. Just doing the inside now. It wasn't really that dirty to begin with, just a bit dusty. So I'm just giving everything a wipe down with the amazing e-cloth. Watch this. I mean, it is a plastic screen. Oops, did I turn something on? No. Who's that? There she is. Okay, so I'm basically finished. All I have to do is vacuum, but look at all the parts I've done. Nice and shiny and yummy. Smells so good in here. And did that rim to match this rim. My car is looking fabulous. Not just fabulous, absolutely fabulous. Ooh, I have to clean those gross things there. I think the bugs, but I did all the chrome, as you can see. Let's see. Let's see the e-cloth do its magic. Gross. Dead bugs. You see that part right there? Ta-da! Ew. We can take the corner right here. There we go. Inside. Ew, OMG, oh my God, that's so disgusting. You're looking deep inside my car right now. That's like, oh, what the hell is that? What is that? Oh my God, that is so disgusting. I hate bugs. Sick. I definitely want to get that replaced. I just knowing that those horrible things are in there just freaks me out. See the finish on here? Look at that. Wow. Oh my god, I'm so afraid of like some fucking spider just popping out at me. Huh. It's just spines. You guys, look at the results I got without harming the environment or having to breathe in toxic chemicals. This could use a bit more of a wipe down. Pretty amazing, huh?